Hi all, I hope you are doing well and getting back into the swing of things after midterm break. So if you go to Unit 6, Little Women, Week 11, you can see that you have the following chapters to read. And remember, when there's a comment, I'm only saying chapter 25, chapters 34 through 38, chapters 41 through 42, and chapters 46 through 48. Don't get bogged down in the details, but the general gist of the story. Your quiz is right there. I would like for you to watch that video and then the recording below. Finally, you have a semester groups that you need to click on. And you click on your group, either if you're in group 1 or group 2, and you will see your name appear. Then you go to group discussion board and you scroll all the way down until you get to Little Women 1. You click on it. I want you to respond to one of the prompts and then to respond to one of your classmates. In order to create your own, you create a thread and then you give your response, and then I want you to reply. So you go in here, you know what to do. When you see one, I made one, you can reply there. So I think that's week 11 work in a nutshell. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I hope you are doing well. Bye-bye.